Hi, my name is Maso and I live in this van. This is a Ram Promaster 1500 136 wheelbase. So this is my mini compact kitchen and the sink is inside. This cabinet is kind of crazy and it's not done because I am planning of rebuilding my kitchen, so I didn't try to finish it. Yeah, I have this Mr. Body Heater that I use, but I won't suggest to use this if you are going to live in your van because this heater, this propane is kind of expensive and it's just good for overnight use. So yeah, I would go for something like the diesel heater that you can install, and I'm planning of doing that also. That's why I want to rebuild my kitchen so I can put that diesel heater underneath the, I think the front seat. I like my kitchen because at first I'm really thinking of just a small kitchen, something like compact. But the only thing is, like, whenever I walk to the front seat, it's kind of bothering me. Like I'm not that big, but I feel like it's getting the way. So I want it like sideways. This portion of the wall, it will be on this side. So I'm planning of rebuilding it and put it here instead. When I was building this, I am kind of like, I don't know what to do with this. I heard this is like what you call airbag, and I said, okay, so I cannot puncture um, or nail it or screw something there. So I I I thought of just building this shelf and then use it for my condiments to store it there. But of course, it's not enough, so I have this extra rack for my spices. So this beans, storage beans, before I move into this van, I was planning of doing a really good cabinets, hanging cabinets, but since it's unexpected that I live in this van, I thought of just getting a storage bin that I can store all, not that much that I need. So yeah, I got it from Target, and yeah, and just put some accent, like tile accent here. It's a peel and stick tiles, and the wall is made of carpet that they use for upholstery for all the vehicles. So I don't want to do wood walls. So it will be easier for me to do this than do all the walls in woods. This is my like coffee rack and disposable plates, mini kettle and pots there that I use when I'm cooking, since it's single use and I'm the only one, so I don't need big big pots and pans. This is the biggest I have right now. I'm a Filipina and I came from the Philippines. So how it started, I was just here for my filmmaking workshop and just staying for a month. But I met my ex-husband, and so I got married and didn't go back to the Philippines. But Sadly, we are divorced now, and it's been more than 2 years now that we are separated, and we live again together and got separated again just this January, and that's how I think of living in my van, because I don't want to stay in the house and be miserable there all by myself. And that's how everything started. So where I am sitting right now is my storage for my battery. So I have my battery inside. It's 100 amps AGM, and my inverter is here. It's 1100 watts inverter, and then I have 20 amps of solar charger, and then I have 200 watts of solar panel, and that's about it. So this storage that I have here is for like my makeup, my skincare, and these are just extra storage that I keep my like DVD player, small DVD player. When I do yoga, I still have the portable one, and then some medicines that I have here. So this is my day bed, and it also converts to full size. I have a pull-out bed here, but since I'm the only one sleeping here, I am not rushing to get another side of the foam, and that's why I'm just keeping it like this so that I have space to walk through here. And then I just made this table, a folding table. It's my do-it-yourself folding table. And this is the fur that I am planning of putting here on the front of my beans. And then, yeah, so I made this yesterday, and I just thought that it's cute to have it. So with all these racks that I have, at first I am thinking of putting TV here, a small TV, but since I'm sleeping on this side, I thought of just placing it in case I have a TV already, placing it here, or a projector that I can just fold it. And I just decorate it because I love decorating, and I have a background for interior decoration. That's why I decorate my van like this. Like, I still want to feel homey and like kind of French or something that you can call. I have this organizer bag that I still store here in my bins, so that it's still going to be compact in a way. And I have my undies here, my pants, shirt, and some dress there that I kind of use almost every day. Yeah, basically I have only clothes that I always want to wear, and some of my stuff are in my storage, so I don't need to carry everything every day. I never thought of living in a van like this and have this kind of lifestyle, because I love being in the house. But of course, at first, there's hesitation and you feel nervous or scared of being outside park anywhere or everywhere, but I overcome everything, like the the fear. Of course, it's still lonely to be by yourself, living in this kind of lifestyle, but I don't like being in the city anymore as much as I can. So when I have the chance and I am not working, I'd rather go somewhere quiet and be in the woods or lakes somewhere like that. And to all the women who are thinking of doing a lifestyle like this, it's not that bad. And don't be afraid, because you will overcome everything as long as you know where to park, that you are safe, and just listen to your instinct when you park. That's how you do it, and you will survive. So this is my shower, and at the same time my storage room right now, because I have some stuff that, especially my food, I kind of stack it there because I don't have enough space out inside. I don't really shower here because most of the time I shower outside. I hate bringing out everything and then put it all back. But I have a portable toilet here that I never use it yet. This is my bench and shoe storage cabinet. I have this small folding table that I can use when I have my coffee with me and just checking outside and see the good life. I usually park in hotels, parking lot like that, parks or residential area. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy my tiny home on wheels. And if you wanna follow me, I have my own YouTube channel. It's Keeping Up with Maso, and same with my Instagram. I hope to see you there.